Hey guys, welcome to this video on forward and backward chaining in artificial intelligence. In this video, we will give you a brief introduction to the conceptual knowledge of what this concept entitles. If you want to see problems based on this concept, you can refer to the description given below. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also hit the bell icon to receive regular updates from here. We also have a lot of training programs and certification courses on our site. So if you're interested in them, you can click on the link given in the description below. Now let us start this video by seeing what the agenda is. First, we will see what an inference engine is. Now you might ask, Elton, why are you teaching me this in forwards and backwards chaining? But this is an essential concept that you need to understand before moving on to the chaining concepts. After this, I will give you an introduction to forwards chaining. What is it and where do you use it? After that, we can see backwards chaining. How exactly is it different from forwards chaining and where can you use it? These concepts will be covered over here. We will end this video by seeing an example. How do you solve this with forwards chaining and how does it differ from backwards chaining? This will give you an in-depth understanding of what these concepts are. So let us get started with what an inference engine is. By definition, an inference engine is a component of a system that applies logical rules to the knowledge base to deduce new information. This means that you have a collection of data or what you call a knowledge base, and you find information that you want by applying rules to it. Now, there are mainly two types of inferences. As you can guess, it is forwards chaining and backwards chaining. So let us get started with forwards chaining. By definition, forwards chaining is a form of reasoning which starts from atomic sentences in the knowledge base and applies inference rules in the forward direction to extract more data until a goal is reached. So you reach a goal by analyzing and inferencing upon your knowledge base. Now, how do you process that data? You do this by applying rules. And that's all you need to know about forward chaining. It's that simple. After this, you have backwards chaining. Over here, what you do is start from the goal and then apply rules in such a way that you get to the problem. As a definition, you can refer to this. A backward chaining algorithm is a form of reasoning which starts from the goal and works backwards, chaining through the rules to find known facts that support the goal. So this is pretty much the reverse of what you saw in forwards chaining. Over here, you will start with the goal. You will take steps and process this answer in order to arrive at the question. This is pretty much similar to reverse logic. Let us finally end this video with an example. Consider 2 points, A and B. Over here, A stands for it is sunny and B represents wear sunscreen. If you use forwards chaining, you will read it as A leads to B. It is sunny, so wear sunscreen, A to B. If you do the same thing with backwards chaining, you will start from B and then you will work your way towards A. Like, she's wearing sunscreen, so it must be sunny. You can use other examples like A for he is eating and B he is hungry, and you can do the same procedure. He is eating because he is hungry, or he is hungry so he is eating. It is more about how you solve a problem rather than getting it solved. And that basically covers everything you need to know about this concept. If you want to see problems based on this concept, then you can refer to the description given below. There is a link to another video which discusses these problems in detail, like tree problems, etc. Other than that, if you have any doubts or queries for certain videos, then comment down below and we will get to it. Again, make sure to like this video and check other videos from our channel. We have so many amazing videos available with just a few clicks. So until then, happy learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!